All right, are you all ready to proceed on the motion to revoke?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2022 CR 9214, State of Texas versus Donald Lee Barnett Jr. Can I have parties announced for the state?
Andrew Paris Edelman.
Defense?
Oscar Rio.
And are you Mr. Donald Lee Barnett Jr.?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Donald Lee Burnett Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 9214 for the offense of credit card or debit card abuse elderly on March 9, 2023 for a period of 2 years? Is that you? All right, state.
On or about the 26th day of June 2024 in Kerr County, Texas, the defendant Donald Lee Barnett committed the offense of manufacture or deliver controlled substance PG1 in violation of condition number.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Waive the remaining violation allegation, Your Honor.
Any objection to the
No
waivers?
objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1? Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the proposed agreement?
Adjudicate guilt and place on regular probation to run concurrent with his probation in Kerr County.
That's your agreement, Your Honor.
All right, so what is this new number 1 in Kerr County about? I mean, the number 1, what you all pled to, the number 1.
Yes, Your Honor.
So what is the allegation with the amount of drugs? Because it says
Possession.
manufacture or delivery.
No, my client says they reduced it to possession.
Condition 1 to 4.
State, was it reduced to possession?
That I don't know, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, I think I sent you guys an email about it, because I think I got some information on it. Give me 1 second.
All right. Well, don't send me the email if you'll send it to, all right. So if you all can step back and confirm
Yes, Your
that,
Honor.
because I need to know some more
Yes, Your Honor.
things. All right, we're back on the record in 2022 CR 9214, State versus Donald Barnett. So did parties have an opportunity to review whatever document as it relates to his charge in the other county?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so to the court's questions, was it manufacturing and delivery or something else?
He's charged with manufacture and deliver, but convicted of possession controlled substance PG 1 1 to 4.
Okay,
Placed on supervision for 10 years with a 10-year underlying sentence.
okay. And probation, what is your request with regards to Barnett?
Judge, the court summary.
I have.
All right, thank you. What is the offense date on the case that he was given probation for?
Oh. I'm not quite sure, Your Honor.
March 15th, 2024.
Okay. All right, Mr. Barnett. You've been before me on a previous violation. And you're not doing well, so I don't understand why I should continue you.
Actually,
Because I mean, we were here in April.
Right.
And in April, a motion to revoke was filed because you were not reporting. I allowed you to transfer to Carefield. I did a patch, the UA hotline. And then you end up not even a month later picking up a new offense. I don't understand why I should continue you.
I didn't even know I caught that charge, to be honest with you. I mean, I was surprised when they came and picked me up with the warrant, because I never had been stopped or anything. And then all of a sudden I just end up in jail.
I had nothing to do with the case, Your Honor. He's already pled on it.
Yeah.
So all I'm asking, Your Honor, is to allow him to do this probation along with the current probation. He's facing, not only your, whatever, years you assess on him and the years of probation, but he's also looking at 10 years in Kerr County.
I don't think he's a good candidate, and part of the reason is that there was a previous, when he entered into his plea in this case, there was a case of credit card abuse elderly that was taken in consideration. And then he picks up a new drug charge. And he picks it up after he was given another opportunity on probation. I just don't think he's a good candidate for probation.
I understand, Your Honor. I'm just
Okay.
asking the court to at least give him another opportunity to do so. He's got, like you say, the one in Kerr County and the one here, so he's got plenty of hammers over his head, and if he doesn't do what he's supposed to, then he's going to prison for a very long time.
All right. Court is gonna find you guilty. The court is gonna revoke. The court can sentence you anywhere between 2 to 10 years. I'm not gonna grant your application for probation. So with regards to sentencing, has he done anything on probation other than picking up new charges and previously not reporting? Has he completed anything?
Well, on the MTR, the only thing I see right there is the new charge and the hours.
Okay. So has he done it says
He was-
here that he was supposed to do 200 hours of community service restitution. Has he done any community service hours?
I have not, but before I got picked up, I had all that in the mix. I had, got in touch with the VFW in Curry
Mhm.
to start doing my hours. And then I had a job lined up for an interview that same day. So things were just starting to pick up for me because I redid my resume and put it online on Indeed, and I was just trying to get back on track.
All right, state what time would you be asking for? All right. Then the court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. And there's the previous no contact orders with Brenda Boyd, Margarita Sealy, or any members of their families or household. And of course, I'll give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, you do have a right to appeal. That right to appeal is limited as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Sure.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you,
Thank
Honor.
you, counsel.
Thank you.
Yes. Did you read it?